So what is this doubt session? What happens in this?
In this doubt session, we are getting opportunity to one-on-one interact with our tutor and clearing and clarifying all the doubts which we are having during the sessions. And the thing is that in this session we can easily connect with the tutors, and they are giving much more time to us because during the live session it is not possible for the tutor also to focus on each and every student. So the doubt clearing session is the main session where we can clarify all our doubts.
So this is again a video call happens, or how is it like?
Yeah, it was the video call. It was on the Zoom.
Okay. And how long does this session go for?
This session also goes for nearly about 2 hours.
2 hours. Only for doubts?
Yeah, only for doubts.
Okay. And like when you are starting the program, let's say you're just joining the program, how confident were you in programming? Like you didn't have any knowledge or little bit knowledge, medium knowledge. How was it like?
I even don't have a little bit knowledge of the programming. It was totally new for me. Actually, the thing is that I am having my cousins who are from the CS background. They are always they are discussing about the HTML language, CSS language. But at that time, I am thinking that what is these things and what is this HTML and what is this CSS. When I have joined the EdYoda at that time, I even don't know the full forms of the HTML and CSS. So it was too difficult for me, but as soon as I have attended the orientation session, in that session when I have came across the curriculum and I've got about a little bit thinking about the particular languages, then I have decided that no, it would be more easier for me if I focused a little bit more.
Was there any difficulty you were facing at the start when you are learning programming for the first time?
Yeah, I have faced various difficulties while learning the programming. Actually, after each and every class, we are having some doubt clarification session. In that doubt clarification session, we are getting some doubts clarified. But as these are live sessions, the tutor is also not able to focus mainly on the each and every student. So when I'm getting some more difficulties, so I'm noting it down and I'm getting chance to clarify this all in the doubt clearing session. And after doing so, when I'm learning these things, the thing is that there is the in every week we are getting some project or some task to perform. While performing some task, I am facing much more difficulties because it is totally new for me. I even don't know how to write the codes. But my tutor who has helped me much more in this situation, he is giving main focus to us that we should clarify with all our doubts.
Okay. So suppose Vaibhav, if a student who hasn't joined EdYoda, that person asks you ki, Vaibhav, I have no knowledge of programming, but will I be able to learn programming without any knowledge? What will your answer be to them?
Yeah, sure, he will be. Because I am the only person who doesn't have any knowledge, any little bit knowledge about the coding. It is totally new for me till I am joining the EdYoda.
And like one more thing that students have doubt, like generally ki, programming is very difficult, we won't be able to do it. Is it difficult?
Yeah, it is a little bit difficult, but the difficult in that situation where we don't constantly practice it. As soon as we came across the coding and various languages and we start practicing it, then it is much more easier for us to perform all the codings and all other activities relating the coding.
Okay. So like how important is this practicing in programming? Like I am watching the classes every day, I'm attending and that's it, finishing. No practicing. Like will that work?
No, it wouldn't work any. Yeah, because the practice makes the man perfect. If we practices more, then we can easily develop ourselves in the particular thing, in the particular field.
Like what I believe, like I don't know much about programming, but what I know is that you have to practice programming, then only you will understand. If you just see someone programming, you can't learn programming.
Yeah, that's the thing. The situation I have faced, I have also done same thing for first 10 days. I'm just watching the recordings and I'm not practicing anything. But after that, after the 10 days when I've seated for the practice one day on our weekend, so at that time I realized that I'm just watching the videos each and every day, but I'm not practicing it. So I don't remember even a single word for the 10 days which we have taught. So after that, I came to know that no, the practice is the most important thing if we want to learn the codings. Okay. So after that, I have started practicing and got the success. the first thing which I've liked is about our tutors who are more experienced in the particular field. After that, their doubt clearing session at the same time and in the weekends. And the third thing is that the projects and the assignments which we are given weekly to perform.